Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a color comparison. I'm going to compare the color SS Iced Java by Raquel Welch with the color SS Iced Mocha. This is a request that I've received multiple times to show the difference between the two colors. So if you are curious about these two highlighted brunettes by Raquel Welch, then stick around and we'll talk all about it. And we'll look at these colors both inside and outside. I would like to thank Name Brand Wigs for making this color comparison possible because they sent me each of these wigs to review, and since I had them both, I thought I would do a color comparison. Now, if you've never checked out Name Brand Wigs, I will link them in the description, as well as the full review of each of these styles in case you have not seen them before and you want to check out my full review. Let's start talking about the colors. So the wig on my head is called Well Played. Both of these are by Raquel Welch and both of them are in heat-friendly fibers. The code on this one is RL4/10SS. It's otherwise known as SS Iced Java. And the wig I'm going to compare it to is called Boudoir Glam, and this one is in the code RL8/12SS, also known as SS Iced Mocha. Let's talk about the color codes first. When you get a wig with color codes, that can be so helpful because you can get a sense of what colors are in the wig. That doesn't tell you what the blend is, it doesn't tell you how much of each color is used, and some manufacturers, the first color is the base color, or the first color is the highlighted color. So there's still plenty to be confused about with color, but having the codes can be helpful. I actually have a blog post at my website where I talk about this, and I have a breakdown of the color codes listed so that you can understand what each of the codes mean, and I will link that in the description as well. But a 4, so this one is RL4, on Raquel Welch, that first color is the base color, so the base is a 4 on this one. That is considered a medium dark brown. So on the color chart, a 1 is a black, a 2 is a dark brown, a 4 is getting more medium to dark brown, and then you go 6, 8, 10, 12. So this one, the base color is an 8. So we've got more of a medium brown in an 8 versus the darker brown in a 4. Also keep in mind, if you have any human hair wig experience, the color codes are different for human hair. I'm talking specifically synthetic. In addition to that base, we've got a highlight color. In this one, that's a 10, and in this one, that's a 12. So overall, the Iced Java is a darker color overall than the Iced Mocha. I also think, at least on this particular piece, they used a heavier hand on the highlight color, which is a 12. A 12 is a light brown. A 14 is a dark blonde. So they used the lightest brown on this one, whereas on this one, a 10 is darker than the 12 that they used on this. And when I look at it, it seems as though they used a heavier hand on the dark number 4 and a heavier hand on the light number 12. Does that make sense? So we've got a rich dark brown with some dynamic lightish brown highlights, and it seems like this one is much lighter in comparison. Let's see if I can kind of get you a side by side. Now I will try to tag on some pictures at the end. I will also get outside and show you these colors outside, but let me change up the wigs and I'll hold them side by side in the reverse. All right, we've got them. So let's take a look. So you've got, again, the lighter Iced Mocha and the darker Iced Java. Double check that I'm in the camera. So if you're struggling, just think about, are you typically a really dark brown or are you more of a medium brown? This one definitely has more of the dark 4, without question. And this one seems a lot more blended. Maybe because the 8 and the 12 are closer together. I'm not sure. Let's get outside so that you can see these colors outside, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks to Name Brand Wigs for helping me out to make this review possible. All right, let's give this a shot, and hopefully this will film well. Outside is dicey. It's hard to control, but we've got the iced Java right here, the iced Mocha right here. And I think from this angle, you can see that you can actually see those low lights in the iced Java. You can see that 4. It's more highlighted looking, less blended. And the iced Mocha, you really don't see those dark tones. It's a lot more blended looking because the 8 is lighter. Let's do that one more time. Iced Java, all of those low lights, the darker brunette, and then the iced Mocha, lighter overall. I really, really hope this helps.